Tisha's slicing the bananas for a dish called bananas flambe. It has basically 3 or 4 different ingredients depending upon how they're made. We use bananas, brown sugar, an alcohol agent for flaming, which is best to use a rum-based alcohol flaming agent. The alcohol all burns off so that when the dish is served there is no alcohol in it. So you've got bananas, brown sugar, butter, and your flaming agent. It's usually served over ice cream or pastry, some kind of cake, but it can just be served over ice cream with a homemade whipped cream. Today we're just going to show you how we make the flambe itself. Okay, what they're doing is they're adding butter to the skillet, and then first it's going to add some brown sugar. No specific amounts. She'll just add enough brown sugar that it kind of mixes in with the amount of butter that's in the skillet. She's waiting till the butter melts. Kirsten's adding brown sugar while Ariel stirs it around into the butter, making sure that the brown sugar and butter is incorporated. They'll wait a little bit to see how much more they may have to add. After the brown sugar and butter melts, Lavana will add bananas to it. I think you've got a good amount right there. We don't want to overdo the butter and brown sugar because we're not making a big quantity. Now after the butter and brown sugar is hot, we'll add our bananas to it. Go ahead. Ariel will stir those around until the bananas are coated but not mushy. You do not want your bananas or cherries or whatever you're flambeing to be mushy. Y'all want to eat some of this? Yeah. I miss one. First, we get that big thing on ice cream off the freezer. There's a big thing, not the little. Okay, Ariel is coating her bananas really well. You have to keep the heat on high as we're going to add the flaming agent. Then we're going to tilt the skillet and allow it to actually catch fire. If you don't have a gas stove, it's best that you don't pour any alcohol-based agent near the flames. But if you don't have a gas stove, you can use an igniter, which is just like a long match to ignite it. And now we're going to add the alcoholic flaming agent. We'll keep the skillet completely covering the fire while you do that so there's no possibility of, now tilt your skillet, and there we go. Now as soon as all the alcohol burns off, the flames will go out. Shake the skillet. Turn your fire off at this point. As you can see, the flames are beginning to dissipate now. At this point in time, Kirsten is dishing up some ice cream in some dishes, which will serve the bananas over top of that. And now if we had fresh whipped cream, which we didn't make today, we would just garnish it with fresh whipped cream or serve it over cake and whipped cream.